If you're an investor and you want to buy a company, then you need to stop thinking like an investor and start thinking like a marketer. You need to market your money if you want it to grow. And here's why. The reason why you want to invest is because your money sitting in the bank account decreases in value. You want to put it into assets, right? You want to find deals, right? Deals increase in value. Now, the problem with deals are there's barriers, there's gatekeepers, there's relationships that you have to get through. The reason why you, the investor, wants the deal is why? Because cash flow, this is significantly better than real estate, is because a business produces cash flow. But then obviously there's the equity, which increases much faster as well. With a business, you can double the size of the equity. Now, you as a business buyer and investor, there's a barrier to you getting the deals. And so your ability to get the deals is by you calling like listings, there's networking, there's like you have like me, like I have a team. And so most people, most of these investors, 96% like fail because you're not getting to the deals fast enough, or you don't have the financing, right? You don't have the lending and the leverage. Like you need to have more money to take down the deals. Lenders plus down payment capital equals closed deal. So how you, the investor, market your money, like how I market money more effectively, is I have a team, right? I told you I have a team of consultants that do the work of getting the deals. Now, the advantage of my consultants versus a broker represents the seller, whereas we represent you. And so I'm able to market investors' money much faster. Like I was able to get, as you can see the case studies, I did 18 deals because I have this app where in consultants, that the ones that don't have the money to close the deals, they're doing the work to bring these deals to the investors. Now the investors have someone to represent them throughout the whole process, from finding the deal to getting the lending to managing the company. And so I've been able to get 18 deals done since November because I'm a more effective marketer than most people that have hundreds of thousands, millions in the bank. Because I have a system where consultants pay to bring deals to my investors, and I have a system where investors pay to fund the support of these consultants in the development of the software that attracts the deals. Okay, so if you're an investor, if you're someone who wants to buy a business and you don't want to be in the 96% that fail to get a deal done, and you want to be able to create relationships faster, more efficiently, we have 3 options for you. We have a done-for-you service where we do everything, and you can just get the whole ecosystem delivered to fill your buy box. I can show you exactly how to replicate my consulting company, where we do concierge one-on-one coaching to help you grow your network based upon where you're at. And there's group calls to support you, or there's just a digital product where you just like use the software, use the network, go through the training, and build your whole team from scratch. So either way, if you're an investor, you need to start thinking like a marketer. That's the point of this training. Stop thinking like someone who just has money sitting in the bank and the world is expecting to give you the best deals. Deals have a cost. They have like relationships. Attention, time is the most expensive and valuable thing in this market. So that's why we create a system where we're able to capture attention profitably by getting people to pay to do the work. So if you want a system where people pay to bring you deals, or you want a team that fits your buy box and allows you to sit back, be an actual investor, just evaluating opportunities and deploying capital, comment app, and I'll show you how to buy a profitable business without doing the work, so you can market your money more effectively.